Hey guys! In this video I am going to show how to lock Google Chrome browser with password. I will also show how to setting Google Chrome browser lock. In addition, I will show you how to lock your browser automatically. So let's get started. So just open your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the Customize and Control option. Click on More Tools option. Then click on Extensions option. This is Google Chrome extensions page. Now click on the main menu option. Open Chrome Web Store. You will see a search box. Search LockPW in this search box. You can see a sum of results. Now you click LockPW extension. You can read overview, privacy, reviews and support to know about LockPW extension. Now click on Add to Chrome option. Then click on Add extension option. Click on Next option. You will see password protection is turned off. Enter here. Password, repeat password and password hint. Click on the Save option. You will see that the password protection is turned on. So back to the Google extensions page. You'll see LockPW ready to use. Close the Google Chrome browser. Now you open the Google Chrome browser again. You will see the Login option. So enter your password and click on the Login option. Okay, nobody can use your browser without a password. Now check the wrong password. Enter wrong password and click on the Login option. So the browser is not opening due to giving wrong password. Now I will show you how to lock your browser automatically. Follow my instructions. Go to the Google Chrome extension page. Click on the Details option. Scroll down and click on Extension options. This is the additional setting page. Now enable the auto lock option. For example, after 60 seconds the browser will auto lock. Close the Google Chrome browser. Now you open the Google Chrome browser again. Then wait 60 seconds. You will see, at the end of 60 seconds the browser is auto-closed. So in this way you can set password on Google Chrome browser on your Windows operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.